We are definitely on the money this morning with our next guest. Jim Cramer is here.
That's right. He, of course, is the host of CNBC's Mad Money and has for 20 seasons worked to teach us how we can make money in the stock market.
He's also one of the co-hosts of Squawk on the Street, and he's got a new book coming out next week. It's called, very simply, How to Make Money in Any Market. Jim, welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me. Third hour. I love you guys, and this is a great time to be able to reflect on how to make money. Because, boy, are we ever in turmoil.
We're listening. We are listening.
So, like, folks who pick up this book next week, what do you hope that they take away from it?
Okay, first of all, that they should have optimism and that they should be constructive. I know it's difficult in a world where people feel that things are negative or off the rails sometimes. Don't feel that way. The businesses themselves are doing incredibly well. Find a business that you have passion about. Then do the homework. I demonstrate how to do the homework. And then you can buy the stock and also have index funds. I want a mixture.
Why, in the simplest of terms, folks who are watching or listening right now, why should they invest?
Okay, I think that unfortunately you'll have to work till you die if you don't. And it's not hyperbole. You have to have enough money to be able to retire. You cannot have enough money to retire unless you invest.
You know what? People a lot of times feel like, and I know it's true, they feel like they don't have the money to invest. They feel like, how do you take, whatever extra cash you have to build out a portfolio, how do you do it?
I had a triple venti cappuccino with skim wet this morning. I would take that.
Oh, what?
That's a Starbucks drink.
Oh, okay.
And I could take that money and literally invest it by having 4 or 5 of those and save them. I lived in my car for 6 months, kind of it wasn't always done in fair weather. And I was able to put away $50, $65 over a month's time. And it ended up, because I invested in index funds, but also had a couple of growth stocks, I ended up with, over a 30-year period, $1 million.
And it's what? And then you say in any market. So for people who may not know these funds, passive, active, is there any way you can kind of make that simple or explain what this means?
Sure. Absolutely. Thank you. Passive means that you can own an index. And I think indices are great because, especially if you don't have the time. But the issue is that a lot of people come to me and they want to own a stock. If you don't want to own a stock, I'm not going to put you in a stock. But if you want to and you want to do it right, I'm your guy, because I show you how to do the homework, I show you how to start, and I show you that you want to invest, not trade. That's really important. Trading is for professionals. I don't want you to confuse yourself. You'll make a lot more money if you just find a stock of a company you like and invest and put money away regularly. That's key.
And reinvest the dividends. If it's
reinvest the dividends. Never take the money out. I owned a bar. Okay, I saw people who could have been rich, but no, they drank their investment away in margaritas. I mean, sometimes I say, listen, that's your third margarita. You can go buy stock.
Yeah. So, Jim, you touched on this earlier, but how do you do the research? There's something you're interested in buying, a stock, so let's say.
Sure.
How do you do the research?
Well, the great thing is, first of all, it's so different from when I started, where I have to go to the library. Everything was late. You couldn't find information. Now, because of the internet, everything that a company says is all online. And I know that people are scared. A lot of people are scared of these chatbots. But I put them through any company I'm interested in. I put them through Perplexity. I put them through Grok. And I put them through ChatGPT. You have to do all three because I don't trust one because they do make mistakes. Smart. But it's never been easier. And all you got to do is you got to stay in touch with it. Right. You never used to be able to do that. And you have to have conviction so that if a stock does go down, which they often do, you believe in the company, you can buy more.
Okay, speaking of believing in a company, you hear about bull and bear market. You like Build-A-Bear.
Yeah, well, Build-A-Bear is what's called an experiential retailer. It's very exciting to people. It's done remarkably well. By the way, it has a lot of stuff that's brought in from overseas, so they have tariffs. It hasn't even hurt their earnings. This is a loved company. So what happens? Let's say you like Build-A-Bear. Well, you can do the research. You can do ChatGPT. You can go online. You can read how it's done. By the way, if you read the services on this, they all love it, and that's okay because it's been an amazing stock. And then you can buy it, and then if it goes down, say that they have a couple bad weeks, and you believe in it, you'll buy more. And I think it's an amazing company. It is a hospitality winner. There are very few retailers that actually have a hospitality component. I love those guys.
Wow.
Build-A-Bear. All right.
Yeah, you saw that chart.
I mean,
it's
it's
a
kind
winner.
of almost like American Girl, something like that.
Well, they do better than American Girl.
Oh.
I don't
traded like
want to cast aspersions on that company because
Okay,
I
I
like
just
those
was-
guys. Yeah, Build-A-Bear is the kind of company you can research, but you have to like it. I don't want anyone to own something that they don't like. I like Apple because I love the new phones, the 17.
Yeah.
The 17 is fabulous. There were lines, 1,000 people last night before they opened the one in Tokyo.
Right.
Thousands of people in Osaka last night. This is the hottest phone they've had. And I know that from just speaking to the company.
Wow, Jim Cramer. Thank you.
Saying.
Thank you, guys.
This is
That's
always
his
great
cell
to
phone
see you.
number? No,
Listen,
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you
That's
could.
right. It's on an Apple phone.
Well, I'm on every night.
Do not forget to check out Jim's new book, How to Make Money in Any Market. That book is out Tuesday. What do you
Great,
got?
thank you.
Thank you,
And
guys.
of course,
Great
check him out on
day having me.
CNBC every night. We love him. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.